Here's some tips for probing for Z and avoiding the issue when the machine fails to detect contact, driving the bit into your touch probe, causing nasty divots like this and also potentially breaking your bit. Probing works by the machine running electricity through these wires. When the probing sequence is run, current runs from this wire to the touch probe, into the bit, into the spindle, into the magnet, and back to the machine. The closed electric connection tells the machine that contact has been made. Problems can arise at each point of contact if dust, debris, or corrosion is preventing electricity from flowing. Points of contact are between this plug and the touch probe, between the touch probe and the bit, between the bit and the spindle or the bit and the collet, between the collet and the spindle, and between the spindle and the magnet. First tip is to place the magnet directly onto the spindle. This is more efficient pathing for the current than placing it on the collet. Placing on the collet introduces an additional point of contact between the collet and the spindle where the current could fail. The second tip, and most importantly because it foolproofs any other prevention that you implement, is to manually test the connection before running the probe sequence. Observe this text at the top of the Masso that says probe. It's blue when the probing circuit is open or no connection is made. Manually lift the touch probe and touch the bit and you'll notice that that text should turn green, which means the connection is closed or contact is made. If you implement this check, then the only way that something can go wrong is if between the time that you observe the green text and the time you lower the touch probe to the working surface, somehow a connection gets loose. I hope this helps.